What number is that?
6.
Very good. What happened? What happened? It's okay, it's okay. I'm sorry. Move.
Kaya ang sabi ko, dapat ano eh. Wait lang, bebe. Gamitan natin yan. Para hindi na paano yung tuhog niya. Ayun, si ano na.
Yung big one.
Wait lang, bebe.
This one.
Ayan. Para to, tata naman sa tuhod mo. Ayan. Tapos yun na, tuloy mo na yan.
Mami,
Opo.
ani ko si Pika sa tita ko.
Here.
Go up.
Okay.
Higher. Yan.
Masyado ka kasing nakayuko. Di hindi makikita na you're writing. Oh, hindi ko kita, anak.
Daddy! Daddy! Look.
Almost done na siya, Daddy.
Ang kuling!
And one backpass.
Walang lagpas. Ang very good. Good job. Last one, number 6.
Ano yung kasunod dyan, Hal? Isusulat pa ba yan?
Finish. Oh.
Ano ba ito? Hindi ko...
Kaanayin niya lang din yan. Susundan niya lang din.
Ano ba yan? 6. Okay. You trace that
niya
one.
lang din.
It's...
Very good.
Daddy, come here.
Opo, wait lang. I was busy looking for something. Something. Rights ko na pantay.
Daddy,
Hindi dyan, Daddy, sa akin yan. Sa baba, sa'yo yan. Dali na, nak. You finish the...
Tapos wala akong masuot na doon.
Ano nga eh. Hindi ka kasi marunong maghanap. Kung ano lang makita, sige, yun lang damputin.
Ito, yan na ako. Ito lang dadali ko.
Sige. Very good naman yan.
Very good.
Good job. Come on. Almost done na, my love. Come on.
Daddy.
Dalawa na lang. Look, Daddy. Tignan mo muna, Daddy. Eh, naantay ka niya.
Talented. Gumagawa ng homework while eating.
Papa,
Ang galing.
Pika's starving. Pika, I'm so hungry, Daddy.
Oh, you're hungry now. Okay.
Mm.
Ano ba? Hindi na sayang yung ano mo. Yung something ni Daddy. Dapat may period yan dito sa taas. Anak, yung I. Anim. Nim.
Ito na. Ang teacher basa.
Okay.
Ang teacher. Pika, you're my teacher.
Name of your teacher? What is the name of your teacher?
Teacher Cora.
Teacher Kawa.
Oops, it's your teacher, Cora.
Papa.
Apa new teacher now? Teacher?
Teacher Kawa.
No, teacher Joey Ann.
I mean, Teacher Joy.
You forgot your teacher? Lagyan mo prayer dito sa taas yung ay, anak.
Look, it's
You have
raining.
already? This one have two? The other one.
My look. Look, it's white dancing.
Like dancing.
Daddy! It's white dancing.
No, Kaling.
No.